In a fishing village rarely visited by tourists, there is an old wooden pier known as the Gate of Dusk. It is said that anyone who sits there as the sun sets will see something that ordinary people cannot. Andy, a young man who has just returned from a city, doesn't believe the story. He thinks it's just a fairy tale to scare children. But that afternoon, curiosity draws him to the pier. The waves are calm, the salty sea air lingers on his skin, and the sky is beginning to burn orange. As the sun slowly touched the horizon, Andy saw the silhouette of a girl sitting at the edge of the pier. Her hair was long, and her white dress fluttered in the breeze. Strangely, the wooden plank she was sitting on was wet, as if it had just been hit by a wave, even though the tide was low. "Who are you?" Andy asked, his voice trembling. The girl turned, her eyes deep like the night sea. "I'm waiting." "Waiting for who?" "Someone who dares to look at me." The air suddenly turned cold. The seagulls that had been buzzing around had disappeared. Andy wanted to run, but his feet seemed frozen. The girl smiled faintly. "If you really want to know, come back tomorrow, at dusk. But remember, once you choose, your path home will never be the same." When Andy blinked, the girl was gone. Only the pungent smell of salt and the wet planks of the pier remained. From that day on, Andy could never sleep soundly. The sound of the waves called to his ears, and every time he closed his eyes, he saw the girl's gaze, a gaze that gave him no choice but to return to the pier.